We are increased the fully automatic wire processing to the next level. With the wire terminal and the new process automation inside in the machine, it is possible to speed up 15 times faster than a manual work. We can produce in a cross-section from 0.5 up to 6 square millimeters fully automatically. The wire terminal has the very important functions to cut the wire, to strip the insulation and crimp on both sides a wire and ferrules in a length from 8 millimeters to 18 millimeters. The wire output system of the wire terminal is to produce in rail system in a sorting and sequence, and in the other one, in the additional functions, it is possible to produce in wire chain bundles in a tape solution. With the integrated value chain and the digital data from the engineering, it is possible to produce wires just in time. With the tool from Eplan Smart Wiring, we send a digital request to the wire terminal WTC. He produces their wire just in time and sent by compressed air up to 4 different workplaces just in time. We have an end-to-end process. From the engineering via the replanning processing center to the finished enclosure. It is possible in your production area to optimize the process. Please contact us and see the wire terminal and Eplan Smart Wiring, the end-to-end process live at the Rittal Innovation Center.